what's up there, TRW crew? Matt Vassallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. In this quick video, I'm going to show you the entire process of making a pretty awesome collared shirt using some of our Caesar brick heat transfer vinyl, but doing something a little bit different and doing a tone-on-tone look. So you can't really see it, but you can see it. And me personally, I think it looks awesome. Stick around to see how. Alright, so the shirt I'm going to be customizing today is just this Under Armour polo shirt here, and I'm going to do the tone-on-tone. So I'm actually going to put white Caesar brick heat transfer vinyl onto a white shirt. Most of you are saying, oh, well that's going to look like crap. But me personally, I love the tone-on-tone look because you can see it, but you can't see it. But what you notice is people that are walking by you focus on your logo even a little bit more because they want to see what it is. So I'm going to run through the entire process of taking the design from the software, bringing it over to our vinyl cutter, weeding it, and then pressing it with our Hotronix heat press. So let me show you all the supplies we're going to need to create this awesome shirt here today. Okay, so I'm just going to use a scrap piece of our brick white heat transfer vinyl, and we're going to place it here. I cut one out just to kind of give you an idea, to give you somewhat of an idea of what it looks going to look like, which I think is going to look pretty awesome, but it's going to give kind of that three-dimensional look because of the thickness of the brick heat transfer vinyl. Now, the vinyl cutter I'm going to be using is my Graphtec CE6040, which is the desktop 15-inch version of the Graphtec. I'm going to use my Hotronix 16x20 Max Press, which is an awesome one at a great price. It doesn't have the auto open and it doesn't have the pressure gauge, but same quality and one of my preferences for an amazing heat press at an even better price. Alright, so first thing we need to do, we need to head over to the software, the TRW Design Wizard and CorelDRAW. We're going to take our design, we're going to mirror it, do our vinyl overcut to get it ready for our vinyl cutter. We'll send it to the cutter, we'll weed it, we'll press it, we'll get it done. Let's head over. Alright, so we're here in our software, the TRW Design Wizard and CorelDRAW. We have our logo here, and first thing I want to do is I want to show a quick little mock-up. So, cool thing about our software is you can put any products you want into the software. Even though some come with it, I want this specific Under Armour polo shirt to be in it as well. So, I added that to the software, so I'm going to just make this white. And then I'm going to come over here to my men's shirts. I got my Under Armour polo. I'll click on it, and there we go. Now, one thing that's really cool about our software is your pricing side of it. So, I'm using the Caesar brick heat transfer vinyl. I'm using white. I click on my little money sign, and I have 13 cents in material cost on this design for the customer. It's pretty awesome, isn't it? Now, I want to create my actual cut file. I go to templates. I'm going to right-click on my vinyl overcut, and there's my file ready to go. It already puts the weed box, it mirrors it, and it does what we call the vinyl overcut feature to give you cleaner and better cuts to save on weed. So to launch this, I'm going to come up and go launch and cut plot CM4, and that's going to bring it to Cutting Master 4 to be able to send over to my Graphtec. Alright, so we're over here at the Graphtec. I have it set at a speed of 25 and a force of 24. I have my scrap brick heat transfer vinyl. I'm going to load this. You want to make sure it covers the sensor right here. Once I have that good, lock it down, hit 1 for front edge, and that's going to bring it to my front edge. Now I'm just going to hit send on the software. Alright, so that's it. So let's go ahead and pull this off. Now, I used a 45-degree blade, and the reason why I was able to use a 45-degree blade is because I use that vinyl overcut feature in our software, the TRW Design Wizard. So watch how easy this is to weed. A lot of people, especially with the Cricut or Cameo, may have a little bit more issues cutting the thicker brick material, and you'll have to do double cuts, triple cuts possibly. I did a single cut with the 45-degree blade with the Graphtec here, and you can see how easy this is weeding here, which is pretty awesome. And we're done. Good to go. So let's go ahead and press this thing. Now, when it comes to lining up a shirt like this, what I like to do is I like to put it in place, and then I'm not going to press it with the collar and everything here. So I'm just going to put some heat tape down to hold it in place, and then I'm going to drag it over here So my collar is off the top, buttons are off the side, and I can get some pretty good even pressure. So now I can go ahead and press. And I'm gonna press this at about 310 degrees for about 20 seconds with about a medium pressure. All right, press is done. So now all I need to do, this is a cold peel, so I'm gonna let this sit for a minute and then we'll get it peeled off. All right, we should be good to go now. So let it cool down a little bit. I'm gonna pull from my edge here. And you can see no press marks, tone on tone, looks pretty sweet. All right, so that's it, guys. You can see the look I get of the tone on tone. Like I said, you can see it, but you can't see it. I prefer it. I think it looks pretty awesome. It's subtle, and it looks really nice and clean. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Got a special coupon code just for you guys for hanging out and watching this video. So here's the deal. Your next order, one-time use, your next order of any of our Caesar brick heat transfer vinyl on the website at therhinestoneworld.com, use this coupon code right there. You are going to get 10% off that order of the Caesar brick heat transfer vinyl of the different colors that we have. So again, thanks for watching. And of course, make sure to click that like button right there. Click that subscribe button and the little bell right next to it so you can get a notification every single time we send out an awesome video like this. But again, thank you. Please comment below with any questions you have on this process. We have everything you need to get your business started or expand your business on our website, therhinestoneworld.com. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Later.